It's time for an epic food hack
with Daddy.
So we're going to take our cookie sheet. Half of the epic food hack is to cover it in aluminum foil. That keeps it from getting all the juices and making it worse than it already is. Less cleanup. Throw the foil away. The second part of my epic food hack is to use a standard old cooling rack. Put it on top of your cookie sheet. It works wonderfully because it will elevate the food off the cookie tray so the air gets circulated underneath, making it more crisper. That's how you make a pizza crust more crisp. It also works for other great things like taquitos, flautas,
Dino nuggets,
chicken wings, and even French fries.
Cookies.
It elevates it. That way you won't, no, not cookies. Cookies have to be flat to make the bottom get all brown. So this way you don't have to stir it up. When they say to stir it up, you just stick it in the oven, let it go, let it cook its wonderful, wholesome self, and just take it off of the racks in the end.